know a case at Thane, 23-year-old practitioner, 23-year experienced medical practitioner was approached by his friend, a very close friend. And very close friend, if it all comes naturally, we become very friendly. And he was a friend of the deceased for whom he came and said this doctor, yaar, wo 60 years ke the, he died because of some reason at home. Why don't you give a certificate? Now he is so close to him and like a very close friend. He, without inquiring anything, has given death certificate. Death certificate taken by this friend to that particular area where the disease, he was a friend of some person there. But he overheard there that there was a dispute in a family, and he overheard someone saying that if probably son has killed the father. Surprisingly, he has already given a certificate to their son. He immediately taken back the original from that particular son of that deceased, returned back to the doctor, but Xerox till the time was already taken. Complaint gone to the police, body was taken, postmortem was done, turned out to be unnatural death. Again, Xerox tha. Attempt of doing a crime is also crime. Crime ke do part hai, attempt of murder or murder. Attempt of doing crime is also a crime, like a full crime. And there was a lot of even crime happened with this doctor. My friend, my humble request, please don't get influenced. There are a methodology of writing the death certificate. What all things to be written on a death certificate, how it should be written, what are the things we need to be very careful while writing a death certificate are very important. I am definitely going to deal with that. But my friend, my humble request, don't get trapped by any of the person or by money or by any other reason to do hand and glove scenario of a crime, knowingly or unknowingly. Because I have seen scenario like acute MI case, which I have spoken about, giving a acute MI, which has gone to the court of law for 3 crores. Around 1 crore or 3 crore, I don't remember. It's very, it is still in court of law. I been approached for defending this case. Definitely would have been protected if my doctor would have been protected by indemnity policy. Because in court of law, we can definitely take advantage of RBT Tech, where it says that knowledge plays a vital role, belief plays a vital role, error of judgment also can be taken care of. But even if at all negligence has been proven in any given scenario situation, many of the time, the legal fees need to be covered. And legal fees is not covered by any insurance company when it comes to crime or protecting doctor in criminal cases. Friend, Doctors Risk Medico Legal Services is the only organization in the country who offers a defenses to the doctor in every aspect. Doctors Medico Legal Services has tied up with the New India Insurance Company to provide one of the best policy in the country to my doctors. One of the best policy, which is a customized one, offers every possible thing to the doctor, every possible things to the doctor. It includes your legal fees for fighting in cases of criminal also, which later on be won by the doctor. If you lose, then they will not pay, which is crime is proved. But many times innocently my doctor get indulged. So legal fees is covered. 1:1 policy, 1 case of 1 crore, 10 case of 10 lakhs, 20 case of 5 lakhs in a year is covered. Out of court settlement, which is nowadays, even in Consumer Protection Act 2019, mediation chapter has been added. And out of court settlement where reputation plays vital role is also been covered under that. Cashless, when I talk about cashless, no policy in the country which offer this, because every policy, even if you've got indemnity policy with you, go and check the rate you paid and go and check the exclusion clauses and the other clauses. It all is a reimbursement policy. Reimbursement, first you pay from your pocket, then they will give you. And then for giving, again, they can come with a rejection like a mediclaim. In many of the time, you pay a mediclaim, having a mediclaim policy, you have paid the money. But when you go to mediclaim company, they will reject your claim. And then you have to fight in the court of law. Cashless means if court gives the order, insurance company is going to pay directly to the claimant, where you can save your money. So cashless policy. legal fees covered for every aspect. And nowadays, since CPA Act attracts cases across the country means now patient can file a complaint where he decide or work for the game sitting in Mumbai. If Bihar patient comes to you, the Bihari can file a complaint in Bihar also, or Orissa patient can file a complaint in Orissa also. So you need to have a legal people across the country, your friend, your family member, even if they are advocate, of no use, because if case goes somewhere out, you need to pay legal fees. So have a good indemnity policy. When the protections are there, when defenses are there, why not utilize defense? I'm going to talk about death certificate, how to write a death certificate, what are the clauses in death certificate, what is the mean of immediate cause of death, what is the mean of subsequent cause of death in a form 4 or form 4A, how you can opt for the police support in a cases where you want. I'm going to talk about this defenses part. Before that, since this topic I got of defenses, I thought I'll just complete that. After this, I'll talk about these defenses to you. So indemnity policy offered by doctors, medical legal services are available for you in various forms. This is the beneficial because it covers latest technology like telemedicine, second opinion, online consultation, which is the law nowadays in the country. Telemedicine, let me add on that because doctors offers that also.